Listen to me. If you are sitting there right now, retired or about to retire, and you are thinking to yourself, Susie, I need to supplement my fixed income, and I keep hearing about this thing called dropshipping using an app called Spocket, I need you to pause. I need you to stand up, take a deep breath, and look at the actual numbers before you touch one single dollar of your hard-earned retirement nest egg. You are being bombarded out there with videos and advertisements telling you that starting an online store is easy, it is cheap, and it is the perfect retirement side hustle. They make it sound like a dream. But the question you must ask before you buy into any dream is this: what is the real, undeniable cost of entry? Specifically, how much does Spocket cost monthly, and what are the hidden traps that could bleed your retirement account dry before you make your first nickel? Let's look at the raw numbers first, because numbers never lie to you. Spocket does not have a permanent free plan. Do not let anyone confuse you on that. They give you a brief 7-day trial, and then the meter starts running. If you choose to pay month to month because you are nervous and just want to test the waters, which is what most cautious pre-retirees naturally want to do, their starter plan is going to cost you $39.99 every single month. Now, you might think, $40 a month? Susie, I can afford $40 to try something new. But I want you to open your eyes and look at what that $40 actually buys you. It allows you to put exactly 25 unique products on your website. 25. In the world of online shopping, a store with only 25 items looks completely empty. It looks abandoned. Not only that, but the starter plan locks you out of what they call premium products, the high-quality items shipped quickly from the United States or Europe that people actually want to buy. Instead, you are paying $40 a month just to look at a locked door. To get the features that actually give you a fighting chance at making money, you have to move up to the professional plan. If you pay month to month, that plan jumps to $59.99 every single month. That allows you 250 products and 25 premium items. Now, Spocket will try to romance you here. They will tell you, look, if you pay for the whole year up front, that pro plan drops to an effective rate of $24 a month. I need you to listen to me very carefully right now. Do not do it. Do not hand over nearly $300 up front for an annual subscription on a business you haven't even proven works yet. If you pay for a year in advance and you realize after month 2 that managing an online store is giving you a massive headache, or that you are losing money on advertising, that money is gone. Spocket will not write you a beautiful refund check just because you changed your mind. In retirement, cash flow and liquidity are your best friends. You never lock your money up in a non-refundable software subscription. But here is the real problem, and this is the fear that keeps so many of you up at night, the fear of the creeping monthly subscription trap. Spocket does not operate in a vacuum. It is an app, not a website builder. It requires a foundational e-commerce platform to even function. That means you cannot just buy Spocket, you also have to buy a subscription to a platform like Shopify or Wix to host your actual store. Let's do the math together. If you sign up for a basic Shopify plan, that is about $39 a month. Then you add Spocket Professional at $60 a month. Suddenly, before you have bought a single Facebook or Google advertisement, before you have designed a logo, and before a single living customer has even laid eyes on your website, you are out $100 every single month. That is $1,200 a year of your guaranteed retirement money walking out the door on absolute hope. Think about the psychological toll of that. When you are working a full-time job, a $100 monthly mistake is a nuisance. When you are retired, and you are watching your savings dwindle, a $100 recurring charge that yields zero revenue feels like a heavy weight on your chest. It creates panic. It makes you make desperate decisions, like spending even more money on expensive marketing courses or sketchy traffic packages just to break even. I want you to ask yourself the tough question: are you looking at this dropshipping idea because you genuinely want to run a complex logistics and retail business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Or are you doing this out of a place of financial fear because your monthly Social Security check isn't stretching as far as it used to? If it is out of fear, buying into a multi-tiered software ecosystem like Spocket is highly unlikely to solve your problem. it is far more likely to exacerbate it. You must understand how the dropshipping model works under the hood. Even if you pay Spocket $60 a month, your profit margins on the items you sell are often razor thin, frequently less than 15 or 20%. If a customer returns an item because they don't like it, or if a package gets lost in transit, guess who eats that cost? You do. The software company still gets their $60. The platform still gets their $39. The only person taking a financial hit is you, sitting at your kitchen table trying to balance your budget. So, what is your actionable takeaway today? How do you protect yourself while still exploring your entrepreneurial spirit? First, you promise me that you will never sign up for an annual plan on any e-commerce software until you have generated enough consistent, predictable profit during your month-to-month phase to pay for that entire year out of your business earnings, not out of your retirement savings. Second, before you spend a dime on Spocket, I want you to use a legal pad and a pen to write down your total fixed monthly software exposure. Line 1, Shopify or Wix. Line 2, Spocket. Line 3, email marketing software. Line 4, your estimated advertising budget. Total that number up. If that number makes you squeamish, or if that number requires you to pull money out of your emergency fund or your investment accounts, you walk away immediately.